Hello, in this video I will show you how to add yourself to any photo using Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to click here. Then, click on Select Subject, and wait. Now, click here. Here in Radius, we will put 1. Here, we'll put 4.8. And here, 35%. In transparency, we'll put 100%. In Output Settings, click on Decontaminate Colors. And click here. Well, now, for example, I want to put myself in this picture. To do that, I will go to my photo and drag it to the other one. And adjust the size. If the video helped you, leave me a like and subscribe. See you.